Hi, in this tutorial, we'll explain what integrity is and how it helps you maintain control over the integrity of your data. From your location, select Integrity from the Workspace section in the left side menu. Integrity is a feature that helps you verify that your location data and documents have not been altered. It generates a unique, verifiable QR code that serves as a record of the information at a specific point in time. In this section, you can view all generated QR codes and filter them by active, outdated, or inactive. You can also search for a specific QR code using its hash or creator. To create a new QR code, select Generate QR Code in the top right corner. Next, choose the features you want to attest, such as project, assets, field data, documents, or tasks. You can select one or multiple features. Once you've made your selection, click Generate QR Code. To view the details of your new Integrity QR code, select it from the list. Here, you can review its information and access the verification link, which allows you to verify the generated hash. When you open the verification link, you'll see a summarized version of your location's information, including the features you selected. The information reflects the most up-to-date version available at the time of verification.